Picture windows Lafayette homeowners choose can transform interiors with flooded natural light windows, expansive views, and a clean modern profile that works beautifully in South Louisiana homes. Custom picture windows Lafayette Louisiana options are ideal for living rooms, front-facing spaces, and open concept layouts where large fixed windows create a brighter, more inviting atmosphere. Modern picture window designs also pair well with premium residential windows, aesthetic home windows, and Lafayette LA home improvement windows for a polished upgrade. Lafayette picture window replacement services are a smart solution when aging glass, warped frames, or poor seals reduce comfort and curb appeal. A trusted window replacement company in Lafayette, Louisiana can handle picture window installation, sealed unit replacement, and full home window replacement with precision. For homeowners searching for replacement windows in Lafayette Parish, the right replacement picture window service improves performance and supports long-term value. Energy-efficient picture windows in Lafayette are especially important for reducing heat gain and improving indoor comfort during hot Louisiana summers. Low-E picture windows, insulated picture windows, and double-pane picture windows Lafayette deliver better thermal control while helping lower energy costs. Many homeowners specifically search for picture windows Lafayette options that combine energy-efficient picture windows, low-E picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana, and insulated picture windows Lafayette to achieve both style and savings in one upgrade. Residential picture window installation in the Lafayette area should be handled by experienced local picture window installers who understand sizing, framing, and weather challenges. Fixed pane window installation Lafayette and fixed pane window installation work best when installed with durable flashing, proper sealants, and expert measurement. Residential picture window installation also supports secure, long-lasting results for homes needing a dependable picture window contractor Lafayette, Louisiana. Picture window installation Lafayette, Louisiana is often the right choice when glass remains intact but seals, hardware, or framing need attention. Lafayette residential glass replacement and residential glass replacement services can restore clarity, safety, and insulation without requiring a full renovation. For homeowners comparing picture window installation, window frame replacement, and sealed unit replacement, a professional assessment helps determine the most cost-effective path. Vinyl picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana are a top choice for homeowners wanting durability, low maintenance, and strong weather resistance. Vinyl picture windows also complement double-pane picture windows, safe tempered picture glass, and premium home windows Lafayette, Louisiana for a reliable system that performs well in humid conditions. Many homeowners seeking Lafayette window upgrade services prefer vinyl picture windows because they balance affordability, performance, and appearance. Custom picture windows and architectural picture windows Lafayette are perfect for homes that need a unique fit, a distinctive exterior look, or a larger glass opening. Large fixed windows can be designed to match traditional or contemporary styles, making them ideal for home window replacement near Lafayette. Whether the project is a full window upgrade service or a targeted replacement windows in Lafayette Parish job, custom sizing improves the final result. Noise-reducing picture windows are a valuable option for homes near busy roads, neighborhood traffic, or commercial areas in picture windows Lafayette. Double-pane picture windows Lafayette and insulated picture windows Lafayette help reduce exterior noise while improving interior comfort. For families seeking premium residential windows or Lafayette, Louisiana residential windows, sound control is another major advantage of choosing modern picture window designs. Emergency window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana is essential when storms, impacts, or sudden failures create safety concerns. Safe tempered picture glass and fast residential glass replacement help protect the home while restoring security quickly. A responsive picture window contractor Lafayette, Louisiana can deliver emergency window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana services with dependable turnaround for homeowners across Lafayette and nearby communities. Picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana are also a strong fit for new builds and major renovations that call for flooded natural light windows and clean architectural lines. New construction picture windows, premium home windows Lafayette, Louisiana, and aesthetic home windows can be integrated into the design from the start for better results. Homeowners planning home window replacement near Lafayette often choose picture windows because they create an open feel without sacrificing durability. Lafayette window upgrade services should focus on performance, style, and long-term reliability for every home. Whether the project involves Lafayette Louisiana picture window installation, Lafayette picture window replacement, or residential window replacement Lafayette, the right team will recommend the best mix of double pane picture windows, low-E picture windows, and custom picture windows Lafayette Louisiana. For homeowners wanting picture windows Lafayette with better comfort, stronger efficiency, and a cleaner look, expert installation makes all the difference. For homeowners seeking flooded natural light windows and modern picture window designs, Picture Windows Lafayette delivers premium residential windows that elevate curb appeal and interior brightness. Custom Picture Windows Lafayette Louisiana, Architectural Picture Windows Lafayette, and aesthetic home windows are ideal for living rooms, dining areas, and front-facing spaces where large fixed windows create an expansive view. Energy-efficient picture windows in Lafayette, Low-E Picture Windows Lafayette Louisiana, Insulated Picture Windows Lafayette, and noise-reducing picture windows help improve comfort while supporting lower energy use in Lafayette, Louisiana, Lafayette Parish, and nearby Louisiana neighborhoods. Lafayette Picture Window Replacement is a smart upgrade for aging glass, drafty frames, and damaged units that need reliable performance. Residential Window Replacement Lafayette, Home window replacement near Lafayette, and window frame replacement services can restore efficiency, appearance, and security with precision. Replacement Picture Window Service, Picture Window Installation Lafayette, Louisiana, Residential Glass Replacement, Sealed Unit Replacement, and Emergency Window Replacement. Lafayette, LA are essential options for homeowners needing fast solutions from a picture window contractor. Lafayette, LA or a window replacement company in Lafayette, Louisiana. Residential picture window installation in Lafayette, Louisiana. Home improvement windows projects often includes fixed pane window installation Lafayette, new construction picture windows, and premium home windows Lafayette, Louisiana for lasting value. Local picture window installers Lafayette can provide vinyl picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana, double pane picture windows Lafayette, tinted picture windows, and safe tempered picture glass for added durability and style. Lafayette, LA picture window installation is especially effective for kitchens, family rooms, and spaces where custom picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana add clean lines and wide open views. Homeowners comparing Lafayette area picture window services often choose energy-efficient picture windows, low-E picture windows, and insulated picture windows for long-term performance. Lafayette window upgrade services and window upgrade service options can include large fixed windows, double pane picture windows, and custom picture windows designed to match existing architecture. For properties in Lafayette, Louisiana, residential windows should combine beauty, thermal efficiency, and dependable craftsmanship from experienced residential window replacement Lafayette professionals. Picture window installation Lafayette, Louisiana and Lafayette residential glass replacement are valuable for cracked panes, fogged glass, and weather-related damage throughout the region. Vinyl picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana and premium residential windows are popular choices for replacement windows in Lafayette Parish because they offer low maintenance and strong visual appeal. Whether you need picture window replacement, fixed pane window installation, or custom picture windows Lafayette, Louisiana, Picture Windows Lafayette provides trusted solutions for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana, surrounding communities, and throughout the local market.